Welcome back to the Gear Garage. Today, 2026 Lamborghini Revuelto Phantom A Stealth Fighter is a car that pushes the boundaries of what a hypercar can be, blending Lamborghini's traditional flair with futuristic aeronautical inspiration. From the moment you set eyes on it, the exterior makes a statement unlike anything else on the road. The Phantom A's design draws cues from stealth fighter jets with sharp aerodynamic lines, aggressive edges, and a low-slung stance that looks like it belongs more on a runway than a city street. The front fascia is dominated by a sleek carbon fiber grille with Y-shaped LED headlights that pierce through the dark like laser beams, while the wide sculpted hood integrates active air intakes that adapt to speed and performance need. The body is draped in a special matte stealth paint, which Lamborghini claims not only enhances visual presence, but also reduces drag. The massive diffuser and triple exhaust setup at the rear amplify its fighter jet persona, while the scissor doors maintain that classic Lamborghini drama. Every angle of this machine screams speed, aggression, and exclusivity. When it comes to performance, Lamborghini has left no stone unturned. The Revuelto Phantom A is powered by a hybrid V12 engine that produces over 1050 horsepower, combining raw combustion power with advanced electric motors for instant torque. This setup allows the car to rocket from 0 to 60 mph in just 2.3 seconds, with a top speed surpassing 220 mph. The Stealth Fighter's aerodynamics are more than just looks. They're functional, with active wings and flaps that adjust in real time to optimize downforce and stability. Lamborghini's new all-wheel drive system works seamlessly with torque vectoring, ensuring maximum grip even when cornering at extreme speeds. The sound of the engine is equally breathtaking, a symphony of mechanical fury and electric precision that resonates like a jet fighter taking off. With multiple drive modes ranging from Strada to Corsa and even an electric-only mode for urban settings, the Revuelto Phantom A balances sustainability with unrelenting performance, marking a new era for Lamborghini's engineering prowess. Step inside the Phantom A, and the cabin is nothing short of a futuristic cockpit. Inspired by aircraft interiors, the dashboard is dominated by a digital tri-screen setup, including a central floating display for infotainment, a fully digital instrument cluster for the driver, and a passenger-side screen for performance stats. The materials are premium, blending Alcantara, forged carbon fiber, and aerospace-grade metals with illuminated accents that make the cabin glow like a fighter jet cockpit at night. The steering wheel itself resembles a pilot's control yoke with integrated drive mode selectors and performance toggles right at your fingertips. Seating is snug but luxurious with adaptive sport seats designed to hold you in place during high-speed maneuvers while still offering comfort for longer drives. Lamborghini's connectivity suite is also fully integrated, featuring AI-driven navigation, voice controls, and compatibility with the latest augmented reality driving aids. The attention to detail ensures that every second inside the Phantom feels like an adrenaline-fueled experience. For pricing, exclusivity comes at a steep cost. The 2026 Lamborghini Revuelto Phantom A Stealth Fighter is expected to start at around $780,000, with customization options that can easily push it past the $1 million mark. Lamborghini will produce this model in highly limited numbers, ensuring it remains a rare sight even among the elite. For those who demand the perfect mix of radical design, unmatched performance, and futuristic luxury, the Revuelto Phantom A Stealth Fighter is more than just a car. It's a technological statement of Lamborghini's future. Like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.